Hello guys, welcome back to Cherry's Beauty Stop a year later. Let's check our past videos in just a sec. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stop. Hello everyone. Hello. I hope you are fine, you are okay. And for today, it's a little bit overwhelming, and especially this month of June, it's a blessing to me. So there's a lot of gonna be a celebration for this month. But first, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Cherry here in Cherry's Beauty Stop, and let's take a look from our past videos how it changed. So here we are. Hello guys, we are doing mukbang. I know this is my first mukbang, guys. I think I'm gonna do this maybe once a week. Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how I clean my brushes. Stay tuned. Today I'm doing 4th of July makeup tutorials, guys, so keep on watching. Today it's still Mexican food, guys. I have sweet tea with me. Hello guys, we're gonna do mukbang and we're gonna do another chit chat, guys, so keep on watching. I got two. Okay, this one is called cotton candy. It's like, okay, so let me take a bite, guys. Hello guys, we are doing unboxing today with all the sales coming, so keep on watching. Bought it for me for our anniversary. So like I said in that video, guys, but the first eyeshadow palette, or the first ever makeup that my husband bought me, is from Urban Decay, the Naked. I don't know. I think I love the chicken in here. Oh my goodness. I put it there, so I know that that box is like, you know, like I already used that, so I'm gonna use another one. You know, it's like I'm trying to like use all of my palette. So after, they have pink milk mask. I do have two of this, guys. Okay, so I do have two of this. I think it's a palette. I'm closing my eyes. I don't know why, but oh my god! I think it's an alien palette. Oh my god, I've been hoping for this. Because welcome to my glass house, guys. Come on. So like that, like oil. And then you put on your face. Oh, good. Let me open, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. This is it, guys. Let me open it. Ooh, goodness. And it has a mirror, guys. It's a big mirror. And of course, the mirror has plastic, so I'm not gonna take that off.
Just when looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side.
What do you mean on the top? Here, down, up.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. I get scared though.
She's getting scared. It's okay, I got glasses now.
This is our look for conspiracy, guys. And my video, my tutorials, okay. And yeah, it's almost 1 year and here in YouTube, and I am so happy. Thank you so much for being my friend here in YouTube. And always remember that there's always someone who loves you. So always remember that there's always someone who loves you. And always remember that there's always someone loves you. Shalom, guys. Let's check the email. Right. In what time is it? It's 10:40. I've been waiting since this morning, but I have to record this, so this is it. And don't mind my bare naked face. So let's check. Okay, it's done. Oh my god. Is this the one? Is this? Yeah! Congratulations on your YouTube channel. Cherry's Beauty Stuff has been accepted into the YouTube partnership program. Is now able to monetize your monetized. Yes! Oh my goodness. My goodness, I do like so yeah, and there you go, guys. That's our few videos from the past, and I would say for this month of June there is like, I would say 3 happen to my channel, and of course, you know, here in YouTube, because it's been a year now that I started uploading videos here and YouTube. And when I first started it, I just like I think it is end of the school year, and it's the first time that I have like, no, it's not the first time, but it's like, okay, it's summer, I don't have work, and I'm thinking, it's like, what I'm gonna do? I'm staying home, no school, so I'm just like, what am I gonna do? And I'm already loving makeup, and although I don't have confidence on it, you know, doing tutorials, but I love watching tutorials and unboxing haul, whatever. And I said, well, I'm not really confident about doing my makeup. And I said, but I love watching mukbang. So that's the first video I had, the mukbang. I've been telling my husband, it's like, just I'm gonna get the food and then we're gonna talk about it, blah blah blah. And yeah, that's the first upload. At first it's like, I need to put this on YouTube, and I'm glad I did, and the history is here. So like I said, we also celebrating in the month of June again my 1 year, and also this month that I reached 1,000 subscribers, and I'm so happy for that. And after a week that I reached 1,000 subscribers, my channel monetized, become monetized. So we're our monetized channel now. It's like it's overwhelming when I saw that email. I know, I said I don't want to open my email. Like I have to you know wake up early. Like I don't know, because I heard a lot of things, people that saying that you have to apply how many times in YouTube to get monetized, and then they have to comply a lot of things. They have to clean up their videos and everything. So when I applied for it, when I reached my 1000 and also the 4000 watch hours, I said okay, let's do it. That I applied it on Monday, and then the next day, actually early morning, I received the email, but I didn't open it yet because there has a time in there. So yeah, I am so happy and I am so grateful. I know I already say thank you to our friends and our new friends and old friends here in YouTube. I already say thank you to all of you. Last mukbang that I have with my husband, when I say thank you already, but I want to say thank you again to all my friends, family, and also my virtual friends here in YouTube. I know it's a lot of you. Like I don't know how to say my thankful. I am so thankful for you guys. You know who you are. I always, even though we're not always talking every day, but every time I upload my videos, and I try also to, when you participate or comment on if you upload your video, it's like virtual. It's like we're talking still, and I am so grateful for all of you. Like, I know it's for other people, it's like, what's the big deal? It's just, it's just 1,000 subscribers or monetize, whatever. Everybody do it, but it's different. It's not about that. It's just the friendship that you created with all your subscribers here, all your friends. It's like, for me, they're like a family already that I've never been meet in real life. So thank you so much. And for our giveaway, of course I have to do my giveaway. And I'm so sorry. I know I have a few friends outside US and the Philippines, but for now, I'm a small channel, so it's a little bit limited. But it is open for Philippines and Canada. No, I'm sorry, Philippines and USA. So all you have to do, guys, is of course like and subscribe on my channel, and like this channel, I mean this video, and share it in Facebook if you have Facebook, and or Instagram if you have Instagram, and comment down below. Of course, don't forget the thumbs up. Comment down below if you could recall, when did you start following Cherry's Beauty Stuff, or where did you, so it's like, where, if you can't remember when did you start following me, maybe would say, when or where did you discover my channel, and what is your favorite video of mine. So that's it, guys. 3. And for lucky winners for the US, I'm gonna insert the palette here, and I'm gonna put makeup here for the US, and for the Philippines also the makeup here. And I will choose 3 lucky winners for the Philippines, but of course in US only 1. So 3 lucky winners in the Philippines, and the lucky Winners would receive, one would receive palette or makeup, and two would receive or activate their SIM card to do loading of, what is this? You know, the loading Gcash, whatever is that. So I will post our giveaway. I would say I'm gonna put more details of our giveaways. So please like my, what is this, like my Facebook page. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna post it in my Instagram, but please like my Facebook page, because if I choose you and you are the lucky winners, I will post it there. I'm not gonna post it, comment or post here in YouTube. So please like Cherry's Beauty Stuff in Facebook page. So what else we gonna talk, guys? I don't know. Oh my god, it's gonna be a long one. So yeah, I think that's it. And I really hope, guys, that um you stick here and we grow up. You gonna be with me, and I'll be, you know, also try to, what is called this, involve also in your life, if you know what I mean, like helping your channels too. So yeah, thank you so much. And for that, you know the drill. And always remember that there's always someone loves you. Shalom, guys.